Reseeding is a seasonal task that many of us choose to do. Now, some of us live in climates where either because of the snow or possibly even drought, our lawns have died out, and so we choose to reseed. Now, I have Bermuda grass, and every year it goes dormant, gets really yellow and not very attractive. So I always like to overseed with rye. And this is all well and good, but the problem is grass seed is so small that sometimes it's really difficult to see where you've been. So I have a little tip, a solution for you. Now what I do is I take about a handful of fine sawdust and I add it to about a cup of grass seed. This way, when you go to spread it in your garden, you're going to leave a little trail, just kind of on the Hansel and Gretel method with the breadcrumbs. Now not only can you mark your way then, you can see where you've been. And also don't forget, for proper coverage, you want to go in a 90-degree angle too, to make sure that you've covered everything. One more tip, make sure that your sawdust doesn't have any additives in it. Make sure it's not from treated wood.